Are you tired of leggings that don't live up to the hype? Meet the game changer your gym wardrobe needs. Introducing our Hip Lifting Fitness Leggings, where chic meets functionality. These leggings are designed with tummy control and a supportive fit, so you can power through your workouts and yoga sessions with confidence. Imagine leggings that not only look stylish but also make you feel incredible. Our innovative hip lifting design enhances your natural curves, giving you that extra boost of confidence. Whether you're hitting the weights, stretching in yoga, or just running errands, these leggings have got you covered. But it's not all about looks. These leggings are crafted from high-performance fabric that's breathable, moisture-wicking, and super stretchy. You'll stay cool, dry, and comfortable no matter how intense your workout gets. And let's talk versatility. Pair them with your favorite sports bra for a killer gym outfit, or throw on a cozy sweatshirt for a chic, casual look. From studio to street, these leggings do it all. So why settle for ordinary when you can have the extraordinary? Elevate your gym look and feel amazing with our hip lifting fitness leggings. Get yours today and sculpt your body in style. Because you deserve to look and feel your best every single day. Order now and step up your fitness game. Chic, functional, and empowering. That's our promise to you, miss.